Long before we stood here, watching the tide breathe in, others stood with fire in their hands and fear in their chests. This fort was never meant to win, only to watch, to wait, to warn. And still it watches, holding the line between land and loss. Brean Fort high above the tide, stone keeps secrets the sea can't hide. Lanterns once burned where I now stand, guarding the edge of a fragile land. Hold fast, old hill, through storm and flame. Empires fade, but the sea stays the same. I hear the past in the ghost cry. Brean Fort, watching the world go by. Iron rust and banners fall, names are lost to time. Cannons left inside these walls, waiting for the call, but it never came to shore. The sea outlived them all. Every age thinks it's the last to stand. Every shore thinks it's the end. But the hill just waits for the storm again. Brean Fort high above the tide, stone keeps secrets the sea can't hide. Lanterns once burned where I now stand, guarding the edge of a fragile land. Hold fast, old hill, through storm and flame. Empires fade, but the sea stays the same. I hear the past in the ghost cry. Brean Fort, watching the world go by. When my footprints wash away and my voice begins to fade, you'll still be here, old watcher, carving silence